up, trappers? Check it out. We got Jonathan in the back. He stopped by. His stereo quit beating, so he wanted to maybe figure out what's going on with that. I don't think he really got it going. I think he's not messing with it for the day. You hear that? But anyway, if you guys see it, I got dirty hands. Something's going on right here in the trapway. I'm going to get you flipped around and we can check out what's going on. It's cool, guys. Let's check this out. All right, trappers. As you can see on this side, we got the old wheel still on. We're going to walk over here to this side, come around. Are you ready for it, guys? I don't have the inserts in yet. They're going to get painted. There it is. So much better. So much better. Man, they were looking like Caitlyn Jenner earlier. No more of that. No more Caitlyn Jenner on the Blazer, guys. Let's check this out here. Oh, yeah. A lot better down the side of that truck. How you like that, guys? They look a lot better. We get the inserts in, get them painted up. I stopped out and I got the paint and primer all ready for the inserts, but the paint I got isn't paint. I'll show you guys that maybe. I got the damn plaster wrap stuff, but I'm not using that. I just don't like it. I'm not going to use it. I want paint, guys. So I'm going to have to take that back out and get some real paint, and we're going to get those painted up and done up tonight and hopefully get these on. The new tires, they're not here yet. They're still on the old tires, and I want to paint the dust protector and the caliper on the brakes red. So we're going to be doing that real soon, guys. I don't want to do it today. Everything's kind of wet and rainy out here. It's just not really the best time to paint. So I'm going to hold off on that. I think I'll wait till the new tires get in. We get those all mounted and everything. And then I'll paint that stuff up back there. So that'll be something to look forward to, guys. These should be real nice. And when we get them on, get them painted up and everything, I'll come back and we'll get another clip of this, guys. All right, we'll see you in the next clip. Keep on trapping.
We stand out like bird shit on a black shoe.